with some Wild Harvest organic olive oil, lightly brush the underside of the flatbread, and then drizzle a little bit more on top. Sprinkle with minced garlic, black pepper, and top with slices of fresh tomato, fresh mozzarella cheese, and fresh organic or oregano or basil leaves, and grill over medium-high heat for 5 to 7 minutes on the oiled grilling grate. So eat free and go wild with Wild Harvest Organics at County Market.